Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And look at what came in my mailbox. It's the paper pumpkin for September, but it looks like it's going to be something for October. The name of it is called Bon Appetit. Definitely something for Halloween. I know this because I already got a sneak preview of it last month. So, oh my goodness, here we go. Let's open it up and show you guys. Alright, well, first off, we've got the promotion for next month and the month after that. You guys, they are going to do them so that they can be interchangeable with each other. So this one will come in on October, this one will come in November, and it looks like it's going to be in the Christmas holiday season. Let's see. October's kits contain 10 cards and envelopes. November's kits contain 24 tags with 4 different designs. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go to paperpumpkin.com and subscribe. I'd love it if you put me as your demonstrator, Jean Piersanti. And you know what? I'll just put a link right here down below in the description so that you can order it right from there. All right, here we go. Gorgeous grape stamping spot. Ooh, that's such a pretty color too. And then let's see here. We've got, oh my goodness, if you like Halloween, this is what you'll want. We've got Trick or Treat. We've got some little skeletons. Toxic Treats, Bon Appetit, Eat If You Dare, Happy Halloween, and then this little kind of skull there. So these are them. And the paper this time is black. I love it. And let's see what we've got in the package. They're treat boxes, you guys. I've already seen one of my Stampin' Up! Demonstrators sent me this morning a card. And now I was like, oh, where did all this stuff come from? So apparently I did see a sneak preview, but I forgot. I was so excited about the box that I didn't see all of the goodies inside. All right. Now that I see it, I'm like, ah, this is where she got it. So here we go. Look at all these treat boxes. How many are in there? 24? Is that what it is? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I think so. Oh my goodness. All right. So we've got these boxes here, and they're kind of a foil orange and black. And then same here. Those little dots are foil orange. Oh my goodness, we've got some little black laundry clips. What are they called? Oh goodness. Clothesline pins. So there we go. Cute. And then you guys, if you haven't seen these, they're in the new holiday catalog. This is a sample of the mini dimensionals. It comes in with larger and smaller dimensionals in black. So that's perfect for those Halloween cards. We also, this one was not put in correctly, and that's okay. I probably won't use them all. But if you come across something like this, you guys, Stampin' Up! Is so good at replacing. I could call them up and they'll send me a whole new sheet, which I love that. I probably won't because I can deal with this, but I think it's just so great that they do that. We've got some little cutouts of little tombstones here. And I think that this is going to fit perfectly. Look at that. Yep. Eat If You Dare. Perfect there. And then we've got these guys. I don't know how these are going to be. Oh, maybe you put them on. I could probably look at the cheat sheet that they give us, right? Ah, yes, this is a background. So this is some little tags there. Nice bunch of them, too. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is going to be so much fun. I can already think of some of the alternatives for cards and whatnot. So we've got, again, those little skeletons and some little bony hands. These, what's this here? This is vellum circles. And then check this out. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, we're going to have so much fun on the live class. Look at that. Huh, I love it. And then we've got our little adhesives there. Oh, we're going to have fun. So we're going to want to make these guys here, but definitely some cards as well. So if you guys are Paper Pumpkin subscribers, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you want to be notified of the live classes, make sure you are a subscriber by clicking that little subscribe button down there. There's also a little button, like it's a little bell. Click that bell and make sure it's the one that has the little like comma type things around it. So that way you are notified when I do go live. So, all right, beauties, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I cannot wait to craft with you live on YouTube here, and we will talk with you later. Bye.